Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to get OneDrive icon on Taskbar. To get the OneDrive icon on the taskbar, we have 4 steps for you. First, check if OneDrive is running. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, and look for Microsoft OneDrive under the Processes tab. If it's not running, proceed to the next step. Restart OneDrive. Press Windows plus R, then type OneDrive, and press Enter to launch OneDrive. The icon should appear in the taskbar system tray. Enable OneDrive from taskbar settings. Right-click the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to Notification area. Choose which icons appear on the taskbar. Find Microsoft OneDrive and toggle it on. Reinstall OneDrive if missing. Press Win plus I to open settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Find Microsoft OneDrive. Click on the 3 dots, then click on Install, then reinstall it from the OneDrive website. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.